Hey guys, this is Martin. We are in the SQL injection section, and today's lab is SQL injection union attack, retrieving data from other tables. Okay, so we will be utilizing a lot of the techniques from the previous chapters, but our goal really this time is to extract information from a different table called users. Okay, so and within that users table, we have columns called username and password. Okay, so let's head over and let's do this step by step. So let's first of all choose a category, and then basically this category I'm going to send over to repeater, and I see if it's vulnerable for SQL injection, and I put a tick at the end of gifts, and I get a SQL error. So this is a good indication. It's not always the case, but it's a good indication that it's vulnerable to SQL injection. So first of all, let's find out union select the number of tables. Like done in the previous video, does it have one table? No. There's more than one tables. Are there two tables? Yes. So there are two tables. We already verified that. Now we see whether we can extract data from these tables. So basically we try ABC in the first table, and we try DEF in the second table. And we hit send, and down here you can see that we were able to successfully retrieve ABC and DEF in our, it doesn't render properly here, but you can see it in the source code and in our output. Okay, so now let's construct the attack. So union select, right? And then, but now we want to actually extract usernames and passwords, right? So let's start here and say like username, because we've been given that information, comma, blank. So the plus is a blank URL encoded, password, okay, and then a blank, and now we say from. So that's a SQL command where we basically specify the table where we want to extract it from, and we want to extract it from users. So there's two columns, username and password, and the table is called users, and we terminate the SQL query at the end. Let's hit send, see what happens. I still get an SQL error, and let's see why that is the case. Union select username plus password from users. So it's, if you look back here, it's actually called users. Okay, the table is called users, not user. So let's rerun this again, and we get a 200, okay, which looks good. So let's render this, and down here you can see now I am able to successfully exfiltrate information. So I exfiltrated username Carlos and the password, administrator and the password, Vina and the password. So let's go down here, look where administrator is once again. Here's the administrator and here's the password. Now our job is to go to the application and to go to my account and now log in as that administrator with that password we have just extracted, and that worked, and that solves the lab. I hope this makes sense, and I see you in one of the next videos.